A very good morning, guys. Today we are back with another problem, and today we are back after a long time because of the placement season. And finally, guys, we are placed, and I will give a short update about the placement and the company where I'm placed, along with the entire interview process and how did it go, and all the rounds and everything in detail in the next video. And let's not waste our time in understanding how someone did come so far, but solve problems in order to get that far. Okay, so today's problem will be two sum pair with given sum. So what you can see that we are given an array. So we are given an array of positive integers and another integer target. Okay, so it's a very basic question, and today I'm starting after a long time. That's why I will be also this is luckily this is also the POTD for Geek for Geeks today. And this problem statement is a basic one to get your hold on hash map and arrays. Okay, so what we have to do is determine if there exist two distinct integers that sum of the three elements is equals to the target. Okay, so what you can see is we will be given an array 1, 4, 45, 6, 10, 8. We are given a target as 16. So any two values which add up to become that target, then we will return true. Okay, so you can see from this array 6 and 10 add up to become 16. So we are going to return true. Now let us take another example where we have array equals 1, 2, 4, 3, 6. So over here, in any possible combination you do, 6 plus 4 is 10, 6 plus 3 is 9, 4 plus 3 is 7. You do any possible combination, you will not be getting a true. So your output will always be false. Okay. So what is the algorithm for this particular problem? So first we have to create an empty hash map. Okay. So let's say we have an hash map ABC. Okay. Then we have to store the elements and their indices. Okay. For each array of I, calculate complements as target minus array of I. Okay. So let us do the dry run and then try to understand this particular set of problem, and then we will go to the coding part. Okay. So what you can see is that for each array of I, we have to complement as target minus array of I. So what you can see is first let's take the array and their index. So I'll just take this example 1, 4, 45, 6, 10, 8, and my target is 16. So I can write t equals 16. So when I'm at 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, okay, I'm at 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now we have to do is we have to create a hash map to store the elements and their indices, okay, for each array of I. So let us take example when I is pointing at 0, my array is 1, okay. Is 1 present in the hash map? No, right? So I'll just quickly add this, okay. And then my target, what will be my target? 16 minus, so target, let us make a target table, okay. Let us make a target table. So the first target will be 16 minus 1 because 1 is our first element. So I can write 16 minus 1 as 15. Is 15 present in the hash map? No. So I will be putting 1 and 0. Now let us move to the next target. 4. So quickly I will do is 16 minus of 4. So I'll be getting a 12. So is 12 present in the hash map? No, 12 is not present. So what I'll be doing is I'll be adding the index of this particular element. Okay. Now let us move to 45. So 16 minus 45. Okay. So I'll be getting say 29. Okay. I'll be getting 29. Negative 29 is present in the hash map. No, negative 29 is not present. So I will be just putting the element 45 with index as 2. Now we have 6. Okay. So what we will be doing, 16 minus 6. Okay. 16 minus 6 is nothing but 10. Is 10 present in the hash map? No, 10 is not present. So what I'll be doing is I'll just put 6 and 3. Okay. I'll put 6 and 3. Now we are at 10. Okay. Now 10 is present. No. So what we'll do is 16 minus 10. So is 6. Is 6 present in the hash map? Yes, 6 is present in the hash map. So in this condition, our question will return true. Okay. That's how we do it. Because 6 is already present at this particular stage. It could have been in the previous state as well, but it is there at the previous state. So what we are going to do is array, we are going to check whether now this 2 adds up to become the target. Yes, it will, because you can see 6 and 16, 10 plus 6 will obviously add up to become 16. So our condition is satisfied. Okay. So that's how the entire problem is done. Okay. The time complexity for this entire approach is O of n and space complexity of O of n. So this problem, why I'm using hash map? Because it can solve with larger input values. So in coding competitions or questions where there will be say long values, there will be negative to the power of big values, big integer values. That time the hash map can easily solve such problems. Okay. So hope you liked the solution. If you liked, make sure you guys like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Okay. And let us just quickly see how this problem works. So we have taken a hash map over here of integer type. The function is a Boolean type. As you know, we have to return true and false. We are iterating through I0 to the length of the array. We're calculating the target minus the present value, and we are checking whether it contains the complement value or not. If it contains, we are returning true, or else we are inputting the index of that particular element with the index into the hash map. Okay, let us just submit our solution. And yeah, you can see it will pass all the test cases. So yeah, make sure you guys like, share, and subscribe to this particular channel. And we are looking forward to solve more exciting problems. Thank you.